Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do a ghost effect step by step. First, you'll need to film your subject in 2 separate takes. One take should have the subject present, and the other should be an empty shot of the background. This dual filming approach is crucial for isolating your subject later. Ensure your camera remains perfectly still between takes to avoid any unwanted movement. This foundational step sets up the entire effect. To achieve a convincing ghost effect, precise filming is key. Always use a tripod to prevent any camera movement between your shots. First, capture a clean shot of your background with nothing in the frame where your ghost will appear. Then, without moving the camera, film your subject performing their action. This 2-shot method allows you to easily blend the elements later, creating that ethereal transparency you're aiming for. Now for the editing magic. Bring both your background plate and your subject footage into your editing software. Place the subject layer directly above the background layer on your timeline. Select the subject layer and reduce its opacity, typically to somewhere between 25% and 40%. This range depends on your desired transparency. Experiment with a subtle blur or a soft glow effect on the subject to enhance the ghostly appearance. This blending creates the illusion of a translucent figure. To truly perfect your ghost effect, take time to fine-tune the details. Adjust the opacity until it looks just right, and consider adding a slight color grade to the ghost layer to make it stand out or blend in more effectively. You might also try adding a subtle motion blur to the ghost if it's moving, which can make the effect even more convincing and dynamic. For more great tips and other deals, check the description below. Also, for a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the link in the description.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.